Book of Heaven, Volume 2, June 25th, 1899. Three Spiritual Joys of Faith. This morning, Jesus continued to make himself seen every now and then, sharing a little bit of his sufferings with me, and sometimes the confessor also appeared with him. Since he had told me to pray for certain needs of his, in seeing him together with our Lord, I began pray Jesus to grant him what he wanted. While I was praying him all goodness, Jesus turned to the confessor and said to him,
I want faith to inundate you everywhere, like those boats that are inundated by the waters of the sea. And since I myself am faith, as you are inundated by me, who possess everything, can do everything and give freely to those who trust in me, without your thinking of what will come, of when it will, and of how you will do it. I myself will be there to assist you according to your needs.
Then he added,
If you exercise yourself in this faith, almost swimming in it, as recompense I will infuse three spiritual joys in your heart. First, you will penetrate the things of God with clarity, and in doing holy things you will feel inundated by a joy, by such gladness as to feel as though soaked with it. And this is the unction of my grace. The second is boredom for earthly things, and you will feel in your heart joy for celestial things. The third is total detachment from everything. And there where you felt inclination in the past, you will feel bother. This I have been infusing in your heart for some time, and you are already experiencing it. And because of this, your heart will be inundated by the joy which the naked souls enjoy, who have their hearts so inundated with my love, that they receive no impression from the things that surround them externally.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.